Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About ask and ask, we can do about factorization. About 4s squared minus 1, we can change into 2s minus 1 multiplied by 2s plus 1. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So that means we put capital A over s, capital B over 2s minus 1, capital C over 2s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So capital A we multiply with 2s minus 1 and 2s plus 1. So you will got about 4s squared minus 1. Capital B, in this situation, we multiply by s and 2s plus 1. And capital C, we multiply by s and 2s minus 1. About denominator will be same with this one. Now we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, we have 4a plus 2b plus 2c. About s, we have b and c with the negative in here, so you got about b minus c. About nothing, we have a multiplied by negative number 1, so you got about negative a. Now if we look carefully about coefficients, about s squared, we have number 4, so that means this one equals to number 4. About b minus c equals to negative number 2 with s in here, and negative a equals to number 1. So that we can create the system of equations. So we have 4a plus 2b plus 2c equals to number 4. b minus c equals to negative number 2. And the last one, negative a equals to number 1. And we can find the solution of a, b, c. So we got about 8 equals to negative number 1. B equals to number 1. And C equals to negative number 3. Positive number 3. And now we put A, B, C in here. A, that's about negative number 1. B is about 1. C is about 3. The integral of negative 1 over s, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of s. The integral of this one, you will got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s minus 1. The integral of 3 over 2s plus 1, you will got about 3 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2s plus 1. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.